Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. You change your Gmail password under your account settings for Google, not for Gmail, but for your entire Google account. So all of your passwords will change at the same time. Click on Manage Your Account under your profile settings and then you navigate to the security. This password is now for all of your Google accounts, not just Gmail, but also for Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Docs. All of your Google services are now under this username and password. Changing your password in Gmail, it is just that easy. I hope that helped and we answered your question. If we did, a like would be greatly appreciated. Check out our other videos, and if there are questions you have that aren't answered by them, please share those thoughts in YouTube comments and we'll do our best to create a video on that topic.